English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 10. SNS. Chat English. I'm laughing. It's only 3 letters online. How do people actually write it? Lol. Lol. Oh my god. Chats usually shorten it. How would a native write it? OMG. OMG. I don't know. The abbreviation is very common online. What do people usually type? IDK. IDK. By the way. Messages make it much shorter. What does it become? BTW. BTW. In my opinion. It's often abbreviated on social media. What's the common version? Emo. Emo. Be right back. You'll see it all the time in chats. How do people write it? BRB. BRB. Talk to you later. Only the initials are used. How do natives type it? TTYL. TTYL. As soon as possible. It's used at work and online. What's the common abbreviation? ASAP. ASAP. No problem. Chats make it just 2 letters. What do people type? NP. NP. Just kidding. Online, it's much shorter. What's the abbreviation? JK. JK. For real. A newer abbreviation is very common. How would a native type it? FR. FR. To be honest. It's a classic online abbreviation. What's the common version? TBH. TBH. Right now. It's only 2 letters in chats. What do people usually type? RN. RN. Not gonna lie. Younger people use it a lot. What's the abbreviation? NGL. NGL. In real life. It's common when comparing with online life. How do people write it? IRL. IRL. Emo. Emo. BRB. BRB. TTYL. TTYL. ASAP. ASAP. NP. NP. JK. JK. FR. FR. TBH. TBH. RN. RN. NGL. NGL. IRL. IRL. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.